Hello YouTube family, hope you're all doing good. We are looking at how to use words correctly. IT apostrophe S means it is. The apostrophe shows that the I in is has been left out. It shows contraction. Example, it's not fair. It means belonging to it. It shows possession. Example, the dog wagged its tail. Copy the sentences, inserting it apostrophe s or its as required. 1. The rope flapped wings and flew off. The rope flapped its wings. ITS. The wings belongs to rope. It shows possession, belonging. So it is ITS. I think going to be a fine day. I think it's going to be a fine day. Here we are using a contracted word. IT apostrophe S. It's going to be a fine day. 3. Dad says a long journey to London. Which word will we use? Dad says IT apostrophe S, a contracted word. A long journey to London. 4. The little lamb frisked around its mother, showing possession, so ITS, its mother. The kangaroo carries young in a pouch. Carries its young, showing possession, the young one of the kangaroo, showing possession, so we write ITS. 6. Farmer Gray says cold enough to snow. It's IT apostrophe S. We are using the contracted word. 7. The dog hurt its paw yesterday. ITS, showing possession. But it's alright now. IT apostrophe S, contracted word, alright now. It's time the puppy had its food. IT apostrophe S, it's time the puppy had its food. 9. It's a pity that you missed my birthday party. IT apostrophe S. It's a pity. Contracted word. 10. It's not my fault that you got into trouble. Contracted word. IT apostrophe S. 11. The parrot has lost its voice, showing possession, IT apostrophe S, its voice. 12. It's too late now. IT apostrophe S, it's too late now, showing contraction. It's too late now. Hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.